We're here at IoT in Action Santa Clara, and I'm here with George Chang from InnoAGE. Tell me a little bit about how it feels to be a part of IoT in Action here in Santa Clara, and what's the value for your team to be here demonstrating your solution, interacting with the customers and industry experts?
Okay, actually we are so excited here to be here with Microsoft as a partner. As you know, InnoAGE, we are focused on industrial PC market, so we deliver storage, DRAM module to our customer. So everyone is talking about IoT, but how to connect our drive with IoT, that would be a big question, and also other vendors that are thinking about it. So for us, we are so happy to be a partner with Microsoft as well as Azure Sapphire. So we integrate our chip, our controller, our firmware with Azure Sapphire. So we are able to use Azure Sapphire as a bridge, as a tool to connect from the edge to the cloud. So from our side, we take care of the data, use the Azure Sapphire to connect to the Azure cloud service. So our customer, they can deploy the machine worldwide and use our product, use our interface for free, and can manage their data, even to do some remove management to ensure you can save the cost and also ensure you can get a very good benefit, good function from the Azure cloud.
All right, so George, can you tell us a little bit about the solution that you have here showcasing at IoT in Action? How does it work? What problem does it solve? And what are your plans for deployment?
Okay, for our solution, as I just mentioned, we provide storage, SSD to everyone. I think whatever do the server, edge computing, you need a storage, you need a SSD. So for us, we integrate Azure Sapphire into our SSD. So for our customer, normally they care about three questions. First one, in-band management. So what can you do during normal operation? Another one is off-band management. What happens if I deploy my system worldwide? How can I do in case system crash? Normally you need to send someone, right? And also the last question is security. How can you overcome the security concern? So for us, for the in-band management, like we can provide a free interface, a free UI to our customer. So you can use the web-based, whatever tablet, mobile phone, or your laptop, monitor your system as well as our drive. So normally you can check the status of your system. You can connect to different sensor device, and all goes through our device, and you will connect to the Azure cloud. Another question is most biggest challenge for our customer, off-band management. For server, they got IPMI to manage it, but for the IPC, industrial PC, what happened? What can you do? What if your system crashed? Normally you send someone. That takes days, travel, a lot of cost. But for us, use our web interface, you can just do the recovery. It's hardware-based recovery. So it cross the platform, cross the operation system. Whatever you use, Linux, Windows, ARM-based, as long as you can get our device connect to the internet and also get a power supply, just one button, you can recover the data, which we already preload in the system. The last one is security. For our drive, we have AES encryption, so we take care of the data here. For the data transfer, we go through the Azure Sapphire, which use Microsoft technology called Putin. So we don't need to worry about the data security. And not to mention your Azure cloud. Microsoft already take care of security part. So we call it like end-to-end security for our customer.
Can you tell me a little bit about how you feel about the importance of security when building IoT solutions?
Well, I think everyone love to have internet, love to have internet connection, but also worry about it because hack, attack, virus, such this kind of concern. So that's why for us, we build our device with with AES encryption. So it's very difficult to hack. But for the data side and the transfer side, we trust Azure Sapphire with its Putin technology. As I know, it's used for the Xbox as well. So for Xbox, you need to take care of the credit card transfer. So when people ask us about security, we tell them it's Putin technology. They know, oh, it's just like Xbox.
So they can never been hacked.
Yes, they can. Yeah, that's exactly. Yep. People know never. And as I know, they have a game to let hacker to try to hack it. But so far, No one can do it, so we trust it. And also suggest our customer to use Azure cloud service. Save your time, you don't need to build your own cloud service.
Right. Is there any particular Azure products or services that has really helped your team speed up deployment, or potentially a product or service that you can think of that will change the landscape of the IoT?
Yeah, we believe for our product, it's from we can call it offline product because it's a storage. We help our customer to store the data, but now we get it connect to the IoT. We call it a IoT SSD.
Right.
And also in the future, we would like to make it as a hybrid SSD. It not only provides the data storage, but also help our customer to collect the data. We know for the IoT, you collect the data commute, and also data storage. So for our drive, it connects to the internet. Customer, they can use our drive to collect as much as data they want, and also like sensor. So we can help customer to reduce their system loading, but also reduce overall cost.
How has building on the Azure platform and building on with Azure Sphere allow you to confidently develop your solutions and bring value to your customers?
Well, I think for our customer, they are interested in our product. Just we have a product demo here.
Right.
Everyone is interested in it, but they have a question about how can I build a cloud? How can I build my own server? So for us, we provide a storage. We provide a free SDK. Other things, just let Microsoft to take care of it.
Right.
So we tell them you can use their web service to build your web management interface. The most important is cloud. So you don't need to build your own server because they are there already. You can just leverage their resource. You just pay very less money to manage your own server. Yeah, so we believe it's kind of turnkey solution provided by Microsoft. So we use your chip and leverage your resource. And customer, they can just very easy to leverage both of us to benefit to their system.
Can you tell me a bit about how you see IoT evolving in the next 3 to 5 years, and how you see InnoDisk's InnoAGE Azure Sphere solution playing a role in driving that growth?
I believe IoT, everyone is talking about IoT, industrial IoT, AIoT, whatever. We believe IoT it definitely will be one of very important growth engine for our business as well as for the whole industrial market. As you know, this is focused on industrial market. So all of our customers, they also want to get benefit from the IoT.
Right.
Yeah, so for us, we want to define our drive as a new evolution, for the whole system. They can leverage our device. So again, data store, data collect, and also data transfer to cloud computing. So everything is all connect together. So for our drive, as I just mentioned, we want to not only store the data, we help our customer to collect the data. We reserve different GPIO on our drive, so you not only can get a data transfer, but also can connect to different edge device. So just use our drive, our free management interface, Azure cloud service. You got lots of different selling features to your system to benefit your end customer.
If you had the opportunity to talk to the people that are watching this video and tell them why they should leverage InnoDisk's solution or why they should work with InnoDisk, tell them why that reason would be.
I think, honestly, InnoDisk only focus on industrial fit. I think we got very good brand reputation, and we are the first one and the only one now. We use Azure Sphere chip integrate with our SSD. So if you are looking for IoT SSD or hybrid SSD that help you to collect the data, to connect a different device, and you need some customization service, and also we have a turnkey solution to help you to build your product, your service with Microsoft Azure. So we are the best solution for industrial customers.